Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool colorful flower in Adobe Illustrator. So I'm just going to create a line here with this in the middle just so that we can, whoops, it's not what I wanted to do. Where's the anchor point tool? There we go. And we're going to select it and we're going to kind of create this rounded, not really rounded, like this much rounded edge. I'm just going to change the colors so you guys can see what I'm doing. Let's do that. Okay, let's pick this color, I guess. Duplicate it and then transform, reflect. Okay. And then you're going to create this look. I'm just going to group it first and then, oh, actually, we're just going to blend it straight away. Object, blend, and then make. And then object, blend, specified steps under blend options. Maybe like 15, 16. You don't need that much. Copy and paste that. And we're going to make it smaller like so. Then we're going to select this and use the rotate one. Press Control and we're going to put the, or was it Alt? Okay, press Alt, sorry, and put it in the center. And then we're going to change the angle to 20. Then copy and then just press Control D all around like so to duplicate it. And then you can change the colors, but you do like have to group them first, and it is a little bit tedious to do that. But you have this really awesome thing. If you don't want that much petals, I think you can set it in the angle. So for instance, 30 maybe, I don't know. And to color it, again, you have to select the petals one by one to change the colors. Maybe pink, and then maybe I want this one to be green, then I want this one to be purple. I'm just gonna do the same with the rest, like, of the colors. Then this one and this one. Green and purple. And yeah, you can do gradients and stuff like that, but that is it. That's how you can create this beautiful, colorful flower on Adobe Illustrator. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!